back with another video.
Wait.
You did.
A long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey everybody, let's go outside. So, hey everybody, it's Lindsay J, back with another video. And today's video, I am going to be doing the snow challenge. So as you can see, I am here in my bathing suit, running around my house, and oh my god, let's go! So cold, guys. Oh my god. Angel, come here! Come here! Guys, it is so cold out here. I can't even believe I'm doing this. It snowed last night, and even my mom is in a giant coat right now. Oh my god. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom! Oh my god. Well, guys, if you're up to it, I challenge you guys to go outside of your houses in this cold weather or the snow and tag me at hashtag Lindsay J Snow Challenge on Instagram. A video of you or you and your friends outside in this cold weather in only your bathing suits. Let's go, guys. Oh my god, Angel. And guys, it is so cold. Oh my god. So. And so, before I go inside for you, I am going to roll in the snow. Are you guys ready for this? Please drop a like down below if you want me to roll in the snow right now. Let's try to get to 10,000 likes. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cold. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you know what's good for you. Peace on the streets. Oh my god. It's so cold. Oh. It's going down for real.